cut.
What do you keep saying that?
We made a style blooper.
What do you mean we made a style blooper?
You guys are in the eyes simp animation style.
I wonder who did it this time.
Oh, about that. I turned the subway logo into my style. Sorry.
It's okay, eyes simp animations. Also, you change our styles too. Change us the style back to normal, and then well do take 47. Oh my, super duper cut. This time we have a staring service letter.
Is this a joke?
To be T. Oh, I am just S replacement, because S is watching BFDIA with D, Pinanyi, 2002 Subway and Ignacio Herrera. Babes, do you have the footage?
Of course I got the footage, and here it is. So guys, how long have you been watching BFDIA?
For about 4 years. I have to do.
Wow, that's a really long time.
Oh, that's an.
Are you?
Of course I am not okay. Why do we have to do so much blotting every single time? It's making me crazy. I am gonna blow. I am gonna blow.
Guys, they'll need to pop the fuzzles off. I have the feeling that the R is about to.
Cut. Why does it say Subway Television?
Oh, so I placed some letters, and I accidentally made it look like an alternate logo. Sorry about that.